Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making it safe and accessible. Unplug the machine and raise the presser foot so tension discs relax. Once done, remove the spool and its cap, noting which way the spool pin sits. Many jams come from reverse spools. Use a small brush to clear lint from the top threading path and tension discs so thread runs smoothly. Now position a fresh spool and get ready to rethread following the machine's numbered guides. Now rethread step by step, following the machine's numbered guides. From the spool pin down through the tension discs, up into the K-cup lever, and finally through the needle eye. Make sure the thread actually seats between the tension discs. That controls stitch formation. Pull the thread to leave a 0. 1 cm tail past the needle to prevent slipping when you start. If your machine has a thread guide clip or auto threader, engage it. Otherwise, use steady fingers and good light to avoid crossing paths. Finish by reinstalling the bobbin and drawing the bobbin thread up by turning the handwheel toward you. One full revolution will pull the lower thread to the surface. So slow test stitches on scrap fabric, watching stitch balance and thread movement. If top thread loops on the underside, tighten top tension 1 click. If bobbin shows on top, loosen. Make small adjustments and retest until stitches are balanced. If problems persist, check needle size, thread quality, and that the bobbin is correctly seated. That single
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.